Hello. Astronomy picture of the day, October 19, 2019. Today's video is about all-female spacewalk repair space station. The failed unit was beyond the reach of the robotic Canadarm2. Therefore, this repair of the International Space Station would require humans. The humans on duty were NASA's Jessica Meir and Christina Koch. This was the fourth spacewalk for Meir, the first for Koch, and the first all-female spacewalk in human history. The first woman to walk in space was Svetlana Savitskaya in 1984. Koch, Red Stripe, and Weir are pictured hard at work on the P6 Truss, with solar panels and the darkness of space in the background. Working over 7 hours, the newly installed battery discharge unit, BCDU, was successfully replaced and, when powered up, operated normally. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.